how to log into your eToro account after forgetting your password. So in here, the very first thing that you need to do is make sure eToro is installed. Then you can open the application. After opening the application, make sure to remember at least the email address or the phone number of your eToro account. So you can simply tap on the option sign in right here. After tapping on sign in here, like I said, at least try to remember the username or the email address of your account. So in here you can select your country too, and like we said, if you have forgotten your password, then you can simply tap on the forgot password option and then go along with the process of how you'll be able to recover it. But if you have continued or signed up your account or using any of those platforms, you can tap on them and then you can add in the password of their own platform in order to log into your eToro account, right? So if you simply tap on forgot password right here, you'll actually need to add in the email address of your eToro account and then tap on submit. You will actually be getting a link and you will actually be getting a link through email ID. All you need to do is open that link and go along with the process of how you'll be able to recover the password of your eToro account. So yeah, that is it. If you guys do have any further queries, then please let me know in the comment section down below, and that will be it for this video.